how to start your very first lab report. The first thing you need to do is go to Google Drive to open a new Google Doc, or you can just type in docs.google.com. And in your Google Docs, you'll hit New Blank Document. And the first thing we're going to do is make sure it has a name. We'll type Lab Report and your name. Then if you look at your pink lab report template, the very first thing that you type is your name, date, and period. So we'll do that here. Then you need to put in a descriptive title. If you're not sure how to properly capitalize the words in your title, you can make the Chrome work for you. Click Format, Text, Capitalization, and Title Case, and it will capitalize the words that are appropriate. Hit Enter 2 more times, and now we're ready to start our outline. A proper lab report uses Roman numerals for each section. When you're in Google Docs, it's easiest to use the Roman numerals first and then go back and edit each section. So Roman numeral 1 is a capital I, period, space, and you can see that it's already done some adjustment for us, knowing that we're going to start a list. Our first section is the purpose and hypothesis. Our second section is the materials, procedure for third section, data and analysis for our fourth section, and then conclusion is our fifth and final section. You'll notice on your pink template that there are some movements we need to make. So name, date, and period need to go into the top right-hand corner, and we'll use our adjustment button here, the right align button. Our title is centered, and it is also larger. And we have some items under our purpose and hypothesis. So if I put my cursor at the end, I'll hit Enter and backspace, and our list will adjust properly. Same for materials, procedure, and data. We're going to leave our purpose and hypothesis blank until we're ready to fill that in. Our materials list, we can add some formatting. If you look on your pink sheet, your materials list is a bulleted list. So we'll add a bullet there, and we'll add in our first material. Let's call that 1 50 milliliter glass beaker. You can edit this list later as you seem fit. But once we add in our first material, and we put our cursor at the end, when we're ready to add more materials, we just hit Enter, and our bulleted list will continue. The same thing we're going to do for procedure. Put your cursor after the word procedure, hit Enter and backspace. We're going to add a numbered list of steps here. So we go up to our numbering options, and we'll select the first one there. And we'll type in a blank first procedure step just to give it a space there. And as I hit Enter, the list will continue. For data and analysis, we're going to hit Enter and backspace as we've done before. But this time we're going to type in capital A period space. And our data and analysis section has 5 subsections. Letter A is diagram. Hit Enter and B will pop up. We get observations. Notice these as subtitles are capitalized. C is data table. D is graph. E is analysis questions. Now I have my outline, and I'm ready to enter in all of my data for my lab report. Please see your pink sheet if you need any details on these sections, or come ask me if you have any questions.